I just wanted to announce that the Sharon at Canseco album is now out. It's been out since Wednesday, and I'd like to thank everybody who already got their own copy. Thank you very much. At nakalabas na po ang LP niyan, so sana po tangkilikin ninyo. Thank you very much. And thank you to Viva Records. Yes.
Yung kantang yun,
is a part, is a cut from that album.
Ito naman para kay Tita Shawi, para sa kanyang new album, si Sharon at si Canseco.
I just love
Yan,
flowers.
Viva Records.
Thank you to my Viva family. I've been getting so many flowers since the concert. I'd like to thank everybody who remembered and all those wonderful cards and letters and good wishes and prayers. Thank you very much. At ngayon po mga kaibigan, I have two very special guests beside me. Equally beautiful, equally talented. Would you please welcome on the show once again, Miss Snooki Sena and Miss Janice de Belen. Hello, Janice.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
parehong child actress siya.
Oo nga na parehong gumaling ng gumaling palalo. Anyway, Cookie, would you...
Good evening. It's nice to be on your show.
Thank you for coming over again tonight. And of course, Snooki.
Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa
Ito yung noon na sinasabi mo nung nag-guest ka dito the
malapit
last
nang
time.
ipalabas finally,
Ayun.
Sharon. I hope tulungan niyo po kami. Please support the movie because it's a beautiful film.
And with Philip Salvador, of course,
yes.
how can you go wrong?
That's true.
Congratulations in advance to you, Kuya Ipe, and to
And
you.
congratulations to you. Thank you,
Cookie. Thank you
Sharon.
very much, Cookie.
You deserve all the successes you have.
Well, so you deserve to be happy.
Yes, and
You're
she's
so
looking
happy.
beautiful, no?
Thank you
Really.
very much. Thank you. And
Sexy.
Snooki, of course, Janice de Belen is with us also, like I mentioned earlier. And
Marie Crisosto's story with
this
Rufa
is-
Gutierrez.
this is the story of that, yung...
Si Marie Crisosto
movie
went to
na-
Japan,
Oo.
and then when she came here, she was already,
That's unfortunate.
unfortunately, she was already in a box.
Oo.
So we're telling
This is
the
a
people
statement.
her story.
Her story, and
Yes.
portraying the role of Marie Chris is Rufa.
Rufa.
Ikaw, Janice, anong role mo dito?
Ako yung gumawa ng gulo as usual.
Okay.
Nung dumating dito, I was the one na pinalaki ko yung issue na hindi siya namatay ng hepatitis B. So, kumbaga I wanted to convince people and to convince the government to do something about it.
Did this really happen? You're portraying the role of someone who actually did
I
something
think
like
because there were many feminist groups like Batis
Oo.
and marami silang ano.
Ate Shawi,
So,
in relation to your question, kung binigyan ka ng pagkakataon, gagawin mo rin yung ginawa ng mga social workers na yun.
oo, because
In
I
real
think
life.
it's so unfair because nobody seems to care about the violence that is being committed
Yeah.
against
That's
women.
true. And you know, if this is a true story, no, yung kay Marie Chris Choson. And I hope that somebody could really investigate further into this so we'd find out what really happened.
Well, that's why we want everybody to watch the movie para marami tayong, kumbaga sana magkaroon ng investigation uli.
Yun. So Marie Chris Choson story rather is showing on